What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to give you guys a teaching moment right now. If you're into day trading or you want to get into day trading, I really like when people understand about risk management, right? Today costed something absolutely amazing. You know, it grew 68% while you looked at AMC and that grew 102%, right? A lot of people made a ton of money on these positions. But what people don't know is that if you're not in these positions, what do? Do you usually just buy and hold? Yes, if you bought and hold, it could have gained you 68% from the beginning of the day. But what if you missed that beginning period and now it's starting to get up to these highest points or close to the highest points? Now what do? It gets up to $30. Do you feel like you're gonna be able to gain enough? It looks like it might have peaked out, but if you obviously look at it from afar and you see the whole day, you can say, oh, you know what would have been easy is if I would have bought in at $30 and it grew up to $40. That would be so easy. But can you actually predict that? No, you can't. So what you need to do is understand how to scalp, how to day trade, how to risk manage, a lot of your positions. And this is what this is all about. This is a teachable moment. So before I get started, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description. It does help out the channel a ton. Now, let's look at what happened today for costs, right? We can see that today in the morning it was flat. It did rise up to about 33. Most people would think, hey, you know what? It's reaching its highest point. It's going to end up falling back down. So it did fall back down to about 28, increased again and retested, basically almost retested to 32. Then ended up decreasing again. Not a crazy decrease, but decreased again. Now, this is where it became unpredictable. Now, it started to increase and continue to increase, rapidly increase, all the way up to $43.92. This is something that wasn't really truly predictable in where it could go. Now, we know that it was going to follow AMC. We know that it was going to feed off of the power of AMC. A lot of times when you see things that are increasing so much, people will go elsewhere that used to hang around with AMC because it's a lower price, and now they can get in and grow this price up, which is what they did, and it's great. But what I ended up doing, seeing these prices, I started to look at it somewhere around here. It might have been around here to where I seen it and it did dive back down. But I was looking to basically scalp and do some day trades. What can I do in order to make it simple for myself? Well, typically I'll go off of 100 shares, have my hotkey set up to trade 100 shares of cost. And that's exactly what I did. I traded 100 shares of cost off and on, looking at this position. Now, if I go into the account and I go into cost, you're going to see that today I gained $363. Previously, I gained about 690 something, I believe, on cost. But you can see the total account value or total P&L for cost is $1,042. So in the last however many weeks, I basically gained $1,000 there. And then in my other account, I gained about $700. So total P&L should be around $1,700. But let's look at what happened today with the trading records of costs, right? You see that I made all of these buy and sell orders. Now, when you have an account that has unlimited trades, you have an unlimited day trades, you can basically say, what can I do in order to make money here? And you can make an unlimited amount of trades. What I like to do is make around 5 trades, if not a little bit more than that, and try and make some money from it. Now, you can see that in the beginning, what was it today? In the beginning here, let's look for it. In the beginning, I made some trades to where I bought low and actually sold higher. So I lost some money. Bought low, sold higher, right? So I started to get into that trend. Then I got into some other areas to where I actually bought high, right? I bought at $27. Let's see if you can actually see it here. Oh, this way. I bought at $27.88, and then ended up selling over here at $28.52. So I made a decent amount of money there. Then I ended up buying at $41.58 and selling at $42.33. And then, I ended up buying here, sold for a little gain as it started to come back. That was towards the end of the day, I believe. So you can see that all of these here, I set it up with, two 2 or 3 losing trades, and then I was able to capitalize on that, fix myself, and end up gaining more money out of it. Instead of losing $50 or $70, I believe it was at, I now gained $363. So it's something that is a teachable moment for you guys to understand that just because you lost in a trade, you don't have to trade with emotion. Just understand what's happening in the chart. Sometimes trades go against you, and if you manage your risk well, with the trades that went down, yes, if I would have held on to those, it would have skyrocketed through the rest of the day. But who knew that that was going to happen? In a day trade setting, you want to get stopped out when your stop loss is. So I got stopped out at my stop loss, and then I was able to capitalize on those trades. So it's a successful day trade for costs, and I was able to gain $363. So hopefully you can learn from this and be able to capitalize on your next trade. And if you do have unlimited trades, especially with this AMC money, you can make those moves. This is why they say it's very easy to gain money in a bull market, very difficult to gain money in a bear market, right? Just because the price is going up, you can see it skyrocket for certain prices or for certain stocks and, make some money there. So anyways, let me know what you're thinking about this. If you actually had any day trades today, I made this move and I was really happy with the move. It could have been a lot better if I would have bought in the morning, but I was more focused on AMC than anything else. So either way, if you can find positivity in the day, don't do the woulda, coulda, shoulda, wouldas. Is that what it is? Shoulda, coulda, wouldas. Don't do those, and don't basically say, oh, it could have been this high. Whatever. You're profitable. A lot of day traders cannot be profitable because they don't manage risk well. You can gain $10,000 here, but you can also lose $20,000 here. So you don't want that $20,000 to lose. You want it to limit it to $1,000. You gained $10,000, you lost $1,000, you netted $9. That's what it's all about. So let me know what you're thinking about this. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Let me know if you did any day trades. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.